What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Gravity token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So once you have done that, just log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. And for the next step we will need to go to the search bar right on top, and there we type in Gravity. And here you see the Gravity token. We will select it. Now you'll arrive at the token page, and as you can see we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to use on this trade. So for this one we use 1000 euros for an example, and as you can see these are the amount of tokens we will receive after the purchase. Now for the next step you can select your payment method over here. I prefer my credit card payment method, but if you would like another one, just select it over here. If it is not here, you can add it by using this button down below. Edit, and then select it and go back to the overview. After that we can review our order. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. If you would like to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase, just use the Coinbase One subscription, because for every order or trade you make on Coinbase you will pay a transaction fee. As you can see, for this order it is 38.37 euros. If you would like to save yourself this amount of money, then use the Coinbase One subscription. It is for free for 7 days, so definitely try that out. And then you will save on every trade up to 10k these amounts on the transaction fee. Once you have decided to buy these coins, just click on buy now and the coins will be automatically added to my assets here on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.